Will you smack that man? Video this thing, we have to send it to Abuja immediately. All of them are claiming Boko Haram.
Okay,
you see, Megeri, you know what I fear now? Those who went to university that day may not be Boko Haram. It may be these students trying to grab students to collect money. They may not be Boko Haram. I'm telling you the Ibrahim. Yes, sir. They may not be Boko Haram. You know, if you break somebody good now, you shout Boko Haram. I'm suspecting this.
Thank you, sir. That's student, yeah.
That's it. Somebody I can tell them.
Of them.
Everybody needs to know what to do. All these Boko Haram, it is we that we are receiving the result. They say Boko Haram is supporting my degree. We are the one receiving the result. We are not the one. Honestly, because after this officer, we are going to but you people show me Boko Haram is not my inside work. That's the reason why everybody needs to know that more than Boko Haram. God will punish you for crying. 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 It's okay. Hey, Mustafa, I don't do. Let us send anything. Let us send anything. I'm here.
Nobody.
Yeah. ID card university. Jin
This one, this book now, you block the pen. I'm block the pen, the change color of this. This block the change color of this.
Top.